Hey everybody, Pourman here, dutifully distanced and carefully quarantined in my own backyard, still trying to think of ways to help you cope with the current COVID crisis. And as I'm doing that, you poor minions are also out there doing the same thing, trying to figure out ways to get from one end to the other. Take Tony in Valparaiso. As a matter of fact, yes, let's take Tony in Valparaiso. Tony, take it away, my friend.
Hey all, it's Tony here from Northwest Indiana, coming to you live from COVID land in the Midwest in these unprecedented times. So I just wanted to jump off Mike's back here, ride his coattails a little bit, and just do a little cocktail that I'm making over here in beautiful Northwest Indiana. So what's happened is, I have run out of wine. I'm down to my last couple beers. I'm all out of my good stuff. I'm all out of mixers. So what do I do? Well, I found some lemon lime pre-mixed Gatorade. Got myself a pitcher already made up of Gatorade. I found a bottle of 151 in the stash. I found a bottle of Malibu in the stash. And I found a bottle of Screwball in the stash. This is what all the kids love now, by the way. Don't get it, but okay. So we're just gonna do a couple things here. Really simple. We're gonna measure in glug glugs, because that's what Tony does. We're gonna put, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 glug glugs of Bacardi 151 in there. In my Bear's glass. Mind you, it's not glass because, you put a bunch of glug glugs of 151 in a cocktail, you don't want glass. And we'll put a glug glug or two of the Malibu. Sure, why not? And then we're just gonna add our pre-mixed Gatorade mix. Or whatever it's called, pre-mixed Gatorade mix or mixed whatever. We're just gonna take a nice big swig of it because we'll see what goes on here. It's actually not that bad. I was expecting it to be atrocious, but desperate times, right? So now what you're thinking is, what are you gonna do with the Screwball? Well, desperate times call for desperate measures. Can't figure out what to mix this with, so cheers. Anyways, we'll get through this whole COVID thing. It'll be all good. We'll work on our tans here in a month or two. Coming at you live from Northwest Indiana. As Pourman would say, pour off.
Thanks, Tony. Isn't that great? The poor minions are out there doing it for all of us to make a better world for everyone. As always, you can go to the website and get that recipe and many more. Push this button right here though, you'll instantly become a poor minion too. That gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new Pourman episode and some other cool stuff that's coming up very, very soon. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, Pourman, and we'll see you around.